Niagara, the creators of the original 0.8 gallon per flush toilet, is a family-owned and operated business since 1977. Over the years, we have perfected toilet technology to ensure ultimate water conservation without sacrificing performance. Traditional toilets have evolved over the years from using up to 7 gallons per flush to an average of 1.6 gallons per flush. Our state-of-the-art stealth technology uses 0.8 gallons per flush, saving 50% of the average toilet water usage. Our stealth technology guarantees easy installation, top performance, and ultimate water savings in every flush. In addition to the superior performance and water savings that Niagara Stealth technology offers, our products are now backed by a lifetime warranty on their vitreous china and an industry-leading 15-year warranty on tank parts and trim. They also feature easy installation and an affordable price, all designed with the pro in mind. With 3 strategically located distribution centers in California, New Jersey, and Texas, we can help you get inventory quickly while saving you money on shipping costs. Niagara is committed to being a loyal, dedicated partner to our reps and wholesalers and have launched an entirely new program designed to support our teams and ensure an even distribution of product and brand awareness. Benefit from perks that include loyalty rewards, a robust marketing budget to drive market awareness, a nationwide rep group, and a dedicated account manager to support your day-to-day needs. We built our business on the simple idea to re-engineer the flush for a high-power, low-maintenance, no-waste toilet. Whether you are a multifamily or hospitality property owner looking to decrease your utility expenses and increase your property value, or a plumber that's driven to provide the highest quality to your customer, we are sure Niagara products will be your new high standard.